When it comes to maintenance, we recommend all manufacturers develop a consistent schedule of routine and semi-annual maintenance to prolong equipment's working life, prevent downtime, maintain quality, and protect employees. Even if you already incorporate routine and scheduled maintenance into your facility's operations, you may be missing out on the full benefits if you don't have a set of clear written procedures. Without thorough documentation, employees may be unclear on the latest protocols, and it's difficult to ensure consistent work. Maintenance procedures should outline in detail and in writing how personnel should inspect, clean, and repair equipment. It should also delineate safe operating limits so that there is never doubt as to whether a situation calls for repair or replacement. In addition to documenting maintenance protocols, you should require written maintenance logs so that you can track equipment status and maintenance compliance over time. Even the highest end machinery will not perform its best without maintenance, and the smartest manufacturers know although maintenance requires an upfront investment, it offers many key benefits including minimizing downtime, improved safety, increased efficiency, and cost savings. As always, Intec has you covered. Our data-driven, outcome-based industrial maintenance services provide specific support to help you maximize productivity, minimize operational risk, and meet your business goals.